can only run, but you cannot hide. Oh, you are running, Adi. Monica, you are running. All right. Agatha must come back. I will teach you a lesson of your life. You cannot say, "Let me be your papa. Let me born you." And I cannot born you. Then you will tell me you will born yourself. I be Daddy G.O. You must follow the footsteps of your father. Your father cannot be a preacher, a replicant of the gospel. And you become a replicant of waywardness. But once you keep walk, Kaba, if I kill you, I will enter heaven. Go answer query. You must give your life to Christ. You think, I did that time, Papa, when we say, the Pekin is going to do anyhow, you go leave her. I ought to leave you. If you run finish, you go come back. Now you don't go run kitty kitty. Don't worry. Very soon, me and women, I go run kata kata. Two of us, I got name you run kitty kitty. I go run kata kata. Come back home and meet me. I will tell you that I am not an ordinary pumpkin that you can crack anyhow. I am uncrackable. Every day you're gonna make me the talk. I'm a smart kid. You know me, I have work. Do you know the constitution of the institution? I'm a Imo Comedy. And you want to liquidate me. You want people to look down on my career. Monica, I said, go and come back today. Whatever that has beginning has an end. I will show you the stuff I am never purpose. I'm on the time. Nonsense. Look at me. An evangelist, for crying out loud. Why would you disrespect me in that form? I am your father, for crying out loud. Follow the footsteps of your mother, so that it shall be well with you. Give with a friend. It won't go away. When you get for your telling a cover. Cover, 10 cover, not to you. You for that marry. Now because of okay waka waka. I will tell you that I'm Daddy G.O. worldwide.
Daddy, leave me.
Move!
Daddy, you're embarrassing me. Leave me. What is it? I'm an adult now. I'm big enough to do whatever I want to do. What's all this? Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Leave me alone.
You say you'll be waiting. You'll be waiting.
Daddy, who see how everybody's looking at me now? I don't like this. I don't like this.
You never see anything. Not you on television for them. You don't turn to TV. As you on TV, and I say everybody go take a look. I not be that kind of papa where they say, my pikin is going to do nonsense, I go to praise her. The other day, they carry bag of rice cup. You think that the TV are they chop nonsense? Who gave you money? You know they walk.
Did you not take the rice? Did you not take the
Who
rice?
chop them?
Did you not eat it?
Did I eat it?
The rice?
Mua.
Oh.
Mua.
Daddy, please leave me. Leave me. It's not my fault to give my life to Christ. Leave me. I want to live like this.
You must give your life to Christ. You must give your life to Christ, not by force. You must give your life to Christ.
That is not my
fault. You are
fault.
a small child. Forget saying you can't big. Now you make a go wear big coat. Big daughter, big coat. Then you must serve big God. Let's go.
Daddy, stop all this now. Stop all this.
Move.
See, everybody's looking at me. Daddy, stop your
They
embarrassing
should look at you until you start behaving like an adult. Shebi say you be adult.
Okay, fine. Leave me. I will walk alone.
You can never walk alone. You must walk with Christ. One alone will make a mistake. But when you walk with Christ, you will never make a mistake. I be Daddy G.O. Remember, you are my pikin. You say you be adult. Your papa na adultery. On him war. I be adultery. You are ordinary and adult. Adult, here one singular.
Daddy.
Adultery, I senior you.
Heavenly race is personal. Heavenly race is personal. I don't know what you are doing to me. Oh. I don't like this. Oh. I don't like it. So I'm just respecting you because you're my father. I don't like this. Oh.
Thank God say you are respecting me as your father. You be big masquerade. But I be bigger masquerade in the Lord. You are following me to the parish. You are going to the ministry. You follow me to church today. You remove your clothes. The clothes you are wearing, I'm not in any way against what you are wearing. You dress okay, but you must go to church with me.
Okay.
You will give your life to Christ today. Today. If you don't give your life to Christ, man, I'm not going to go near you must make it. Let's go. Move with me.
Daddy, you are embarrassing me. Daddy, wait, let me tell you something. Hold on. I'll go to church, but not today. Daddy, I can't go to church like this now. I'm not in the mood. Heavenly race is personal. Let me do it at my own will. It's not possible to give their life to Christ.
You are not in the mood to give your life to Christ. Or you are not in the mood to go to church.
I'm not in
But you are in the mood to follow Imo Comedy. Agamega praracha. Agamega praracha. Amen. The other guy, they watch it, they do. If they do like this, get to out here. You can do but you cannot go to church and do Hosanna in the highest. People let them watch. Now let them watch you. I want nonsense, so everybody watch. Move it. After the embarrassment. The one where they go give you at the last day at the hellfire is the worst embarrassment. So it's better you are embarrassed on here on earth. Then at the end of the day, you will sit seated on the glory hand of God and get there the worship Hosanna in the highest. Nonsense. Move it.